Hello everyone and welcome back to your own channel Crypto Guy. So in this video I'm going to tell you what actually is PancakeSwap, how you can make passive income from PancakeSwap, how you can farm your tokens, how you can contribute in pools, and even how you can win a lottery by PancakeSwap. And if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to go and like, share and subscribe my channel Crypto Guy, and also watch how to connect MetaMask and connect with Binance Smart Chain in order to start with PancakeSwap. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with PancakeSwap. Here you can see that right now the current price of PancakeSwap is $17.87, and here is the website pancake.finance. When you click it, it will open in a new window, and this is you can just simply click it here to add this in your MetaMask. When you click this, it will add in your MetaMask, and this tutorial how to install and connect MetaMask with Binance Smart Chain. Here is a complete tutorial. There will be a window popping up. You just have to go and follow this instruction, and when you are done, you will be connected your MetaMask to a Binance Smart Chain instead of Ethereum wallet. And once you are done, you can use PancakeSwap. So here is the main website of PancakeSwap. Here you can see that this is a dashboard. This is all your incoming cake to harvest, cake in the wallet, farms and staking, and you just have to simply click connect to connect your Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so here we have PancakeSwap, and the first thing is that in home you can see like what you are staking, what you are farming, and how much cake is there to harvest, and what is the total value of your cake in the wallet. And in order to get some cake, you have to go to exchange, click on trade, click on exchange. Once you are here you can see that you can swap, you can provide liquidity, and you can also give some bridge here. But in order to swap, we have to, it's just like Uniswap, we have to check cake. And if I click maximum, I can take 1, but I will only want to take 1 just in order to show you guys. Click swap, confirm swap, and the MetaMask will open, and it will ask you for, you will click confirm. And it's not like Ethereum transaction, mostly it's very fast. You just click on BS scan, and on BS scan is just like your Ether scan, and here you can add your uh, wallet address, and you can see the transaction how it goes. Here you can see it's showing pending at the moment, but mostly it's very fast and it's happening like in few seconds. This is the good thing. Here you can say that I already got my I already exchanged BNB to cake. And if I go back and check on my home, I would already have 1 cake available in my wallet, and this I can start able to stake and also harvest. And this how you can do it with your exchange. And it's the same thing, like if you want to add liquidity, it would be like similar like how you add liquidity in Uniswap. Click liquidity, and here you have to click add liquidity, and here you also have to keep in mind that you have to add equal amount of both of your coins. Like if you want to have, it would be maximum, and you should have 4 cake, because here you can see that insufficient cake balance, because right now I only have 1 cake. So you should have like 4 cake balance in order to stake this. And once it's there, you just click approve, and once it's approved, you can see the transaction here on BS scans. And once you get it, you can see your, in the assets, you can see that cake LP token will be shown here. So once you get your cake LP token, you just have to come to your farms, and this will be the new topic I'm going to cover. Once you have to add the liquidity, once you add the liquidity, and if you click on liquidity, you will see your liquidity pool here, that you already have added some liquidity to the pool. Okay, so as you already have your LP tokens. So we have added the liquidity. Now I can tell you that we already have the tokens, and we can go and put that in the farms. And in farms here you can see that stake liquidity pool LP tokens to earn, and you can see your, if you already have added, you can see it here. And once you can see it here, you just have to see that the APR is 87.63 per year. Actually, that's very nice, and it's multiplies 40x. Here you can click the details, you can see, and you can also click get cake BNB LP, and this will take you to the same page what I've been there, that you are adding the liquidity to the pool. Here you can see that, and you can also see your contract, you can also see the information, and you can see the liquidity is quite high. It's like 57 million. That's very good. I mean, you always have to take that kind of pools where the liquidity is high, so you, whenever you want to take your tokens out, you will not have an issue. So you have to click stake LP, and if I have some cake BNB LP token, you just click next, confirm it. The transaction will pop up on MetaMask, you just confirm, and that's it. It will start earning cake because you already added cake BNB LP tokens in farming. So that's how you make farming stake liquidity pool. And you have many other pools as well with a lot of high APR as well. Easy BNB, NRB, they go Gum BNB. I mean, these all on BSC, Binance Smart Chain, and you can make a lot of APR. Like you can easily make up to 500 as well. You just have to click here, get easy BNB. It will open it, and you have to add the liquidity in this pool by adding BNB token and at same amount of token of easy as well. And in the beginning I already told you that if you have BNB in your MetaMask, you just go and convert BNB to easy, and once you get it, come back to liquidity, add it, and once you get it, it will show in your MetaMask that you will have easy or BNB token. You will come enable it, and after enable you stake it, and once you start staking, it will showing here, and you will start making money out of it. So in my last part I already told you how you can trade, how you can exchange, how you can add liquidity, and how you can, after adding liquidity, you can add that in form. So the next will be, I'm going to show you how you can add in pools, and that's also a very good way to make some passive income from PancakeSwap. And if we open these pools, here you can say it's syrup pool, stake cake to earn new tokens. You can unstake at any time. Rewards are calculated per block, so you don't have to be worried about that your tokens are hold, and they are always updating it. And here you can see that I already have stake about 44.2 cakes, and I'm earning also cake in return, and already earned 0.21. And after that, now there are two options, that you can harvest it or you can compound it. So if I click on harvest, I can just collect it, and it will be shown in my MetaMask after I will confirm that transaction. But if you don't want to harvest it and you don't want to put it in your wallet, you can just come here, and after that you can just compound it. It means that you are adding your cake in it in your already of this one. I can show you here, like we already have here, click compound. So I already have this one, I already have 44.2. I will confirm. MetaMask window will pop up. I will say yes, confirm. It's 0.17. I will confirm it for you guys, and if I can see that transaction happening on my BSC scan, I can add my, and I can see that it's already there, it's pending here. And if I go back and see that it's 44.2, but once it's been approved and I'm start compounding here, you can just saw that it's now 44.41. so I increase my stake and now have 0.0 cake on. And it's the same thing, like if I want to add more, I have only one cake, I will click next, click confirm, pending transaction, the MetaMask window pop up. I have to confirm it, and this is very fast as compared to Ethereum. and I just did it, and here I give a refresh, and here you can see that I already have transaction being there, and as you can see it's like 44.4 because it was before 44.20 and we compounded, and now we are actually depositing one cake. So whatever the cake amount is available in your wallet, you can just add it, and here you can see that it's already been 44.5. so it's mean that I have added, and if you can go and see and give a refresh to my MetaMask, I don't have any cake because I already have deposited in my, and now it's 45. So that's how you can add, how you can harvest, and how you can compound your cake. And whenever you want to unstake it, you just click unstake, click max or whatever the amount you want to unstake it, click confirm, and it will unstake it and it will show in your MetaMask wallet. So that's how you do pool, and that's how it's syrup pool, that you can stake your cake and earn more. And it's the same thing with that, if you put cake and you will get easy, same with NRV, and there are many more, and you can see that all of about 100% per year. So that's very nice. You can have Swift pool, you have Lane pool, we have PCWS, ZIL, I mean you just name it. There are Biffy pool, it's also a very good one. You just keep adding your cakes and you will start earning the new token. And if we go on the home page, you can see that there's nothing to harvest because I already recompounded, and I have nothing to do in my wallet because I stake the last. And that's how you make compound your interest, and that's how you can make passive income from this. Okay, so here you can see the price of cake as well, and there's another option is lottery. Buy ticket with cake, win if 2, 3 or 4 of your ticket numbers matches. Here you can see the time bar, 11 hour 10 minutes until lottery draw. Next draw, past draw, you can see like if you have won anything. And here you can view your ticket. I have not added here. Here you can read how it adds Pancake to buy ticket, contributing to the lottery pot, win prizes if your ticket numbers match the winning numbers and the exact order. So if this is, you will get the lottery win, but you will lose it. I also have collectibles. Here you can see that these are just pictures at the moment, but I think they're gonna be soon collectible as well. Team battle is a new section. You can have your team, and you can also make your profile, and then you can start battering, and if your team will win, you will get these 21,000 cakes, and that will be split among all of your team members. Here you can make your here you can see the all the information about your pancake and everything here. Yeah, and here you can see that just like Uniswap, you can see the PancakeSwap analytics, you can add the token, you can see the liquidity, you can see the volume. I mean everything is here, and Pancake is definitely something from where you can make a passive income. And I already have 0.01, and I'm every day I'm making some passive income. And if I go to the pools, you can see the number of cake which I have been staked. I mean there are a number of ways how you can make the money out of this pool. You just have to put your cake and you can get more cake, or you can just stake your cake to get your easy NRV anything. Like you can see that I already have like 45 cakes, and I will earn this something. So this is very interesting, and I already told you in my last one how you can add your MetaMask with BINANCE Chain, and once you have added, you can start dealing with PancakeSwap. So I think that's all for today, guys. So if you like it, this video, my tutorial, how you can farm it, how you can pool it, how you can win a lottery, and how you can exchange your BNB token into any token on BNC Smart Chain, and how you can add liquidity. Don't forget to give me a like, share, and subscribe my channel. Give me a comment and tell me if you like my videos and do you want to see more videos in future. So until that, take care, keep stacking, and bye bye.